2025 Premier 230 Sunsation RS, aka rear social. A new seating layout for Premier this year. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. We'll go through it and show you guys this new layout. A 23-foot triple tube setup. This is sitting on the PTX 28 hull. So our center tube is actually a true hull and not a tube actually. It's gonna lift the boat out of the water, make it more efficient through the water with less drag, give it enhanced cornering ability, and a much better rough water ride with that V-hull shape to it. It's sitting with a 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard. You have the ski tow bar on there. Looks wise, sitting with a black lower with a red accent up top. It has the blackout package on it. So we have a black rub rail, black lettering, and Premier logos. Our bimini frame for our power top is black and just gives the boat a nice stealthy look. I think it turned out really cool. The rear social means it has just that, a rear social area in the back of the boat that you can open up the entire transom, pulling this pin, swinging the gate around to the front where it locks into place. And if you are out on the water, you have this awesome open transom design where you can feel one with the water, hanging out in your seats or the couch back here, and you're gonna have the water just off to your side. Great if you got kids who like to jump off and swim. Got your ladder back here. This is the ricochet ladder that flips up easily. There's a handful of different cool accessories that you could add to this boat. Diving board, great spot to have a grill on the back of this thing somewhere. And yeah, just something unique that I haven't seen in any other pontoons, to open up the back end like this, unless it's like a fishing pontoon. Open up the back end of the boat like this to really just give you a different feel when you're out on the lake. Pretty cool. So we have twin seats on the very back here, a table which is removable, cup holders, got the slide tray here. We have our bench seating, which does have storage underneath. That side's more access to your battery and your JL subwoofer. More storage on the other side. But the quirks do not end on the interior with this back end. We have the bench back that can face forwards, open up this kind of L-shaped seating area that is more central to the helm in the middle of the boat. This seat here can also lift up on, have it face forwards. So you have a forward-facing seat there. If you're just two people on the boat, want to sit side by side, you can do that. Or we can lift it up and fold it completely flat. Turn that into a nice big bench. So, yeah, nice configurable layout. Storage underneath. Everything's on self-supporting hinges, which is really nice. So you can flip that and it stays open. I didn't talk about the vinyl. We got a black and gray combination going on, and this is a new material, Cool Touch vinyl for Premier. So this black is going to stay as cool as a standard vinyl in a much lighter color. Can also be easy to keep clean. At the helm, we have analog gauges on either side of the Helix 5 Hummingbird screen. It's just a depth finder, simple digital display in the middle. We do have full JL audio set up like I mentioned before. We have 6 interior speakers in that sub with a full JL head unit at the helm. Helm also has a clamping phone charger and your standard toggle switches for your lights and everything else. Nice stitch steering wheel, looks good. Elevated helm in black. Does have the snap out vinyl floor to match the rest of the interior. Have that nice gray woven material. It's going to be easy to keep clean and is not going to get hot. Adjustable driver's seat, armrests on both sides, and adjustable lean back on that. Nice tall seat back. Again, the bimini top on this is a power fold, so just a push button operation. If you want to extend it all the way forward, just unzip the boot, hit the button, and it'll go forwards. Dual trash can up here towards the front, the storage compartment above it. Down in the floor, that PTX tube. One of the benefits of that, outside of just ride quality, is tons of storage space. Nice wide opening to get down into there. We have the boat cover, table, poles for the cover, all stashed down there with plenty of room to spare. Under the helm, we have a spot for paper towels and a nice storage compartment down there. On top of the helm, another storage bin up here. Lots of place for gear in this boat. And if we make our way up to the front, we just kind of have a traditional bench seating on either side. Cup holders down in the side inlays, out of the sun, and nice deep cup holders so your drinks aren't flying around in the boat as well. If we open up the seats here, self-supporting hinges all the way around. See the boat cover. Nice amount of storage up here. Pretty unique layout. Gives you some different options to play around with, which I think is cool. Depending on what kind of crew you have with you or what you're doing out on the lake, you can kind of fine-tune this for whatever activity. So come check it out. Hit us up at N3 if you have any questions. You want to come see one, it's here at the shop. You can reach us at 317-845-9253. Thanks for watching.